In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax to your Wix site. If you run an online store through Wix, it's important to make sure your site's tax settings are properly configured to ensure compliance with local tax laws and regulations. This process might sound a little daunting, but don't worry. I'll walk you through it step by step, making it easy and efficient to set up. First, let's begin by navigating to the home page of your Wix website. You can do this by logging into your Wix account and selecting the specific site you want to configure. Once you're there, take a deep breath. You've already knocked out the first step. Next, locate the Settings option. You can find this on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Click on it. This will take you to a page with a variety of settings that you can adjust according to your needs. Now, to keep things simple, type Tax into the search bar at the top of the settings page. This should lead you directly to the tax settings, bypassing any unnecessary scrolling. Click on the Tax option when it appears in the search results. Here, you'll find an Add Location option. Click on this to designate the regions where your business is operating or shipping to. After clicking on Add Location, you'll be prompted to choose a country from the list. Select the country applicable to your business operations. Following that, you'll have the option to select a specific state or province within that country. Make your choice from the drop-down menu provided. This step is critical if different tax rates apply at state or provincial levels, ensuring your settings are accurate and precise. Once you've chosen both the country and state, go ahead and click Add. This will add the location to your list where you'll be applying tax rates. Then, click on the location that you just added. This will allow you to set up specific tax rates for that location. Carefully input the tax rate you need to apply. Be sure to double-check the rate to ensure it complies with local tax laws. After you've set up your tax rates, don't forget to click Save. This crucial step will ensure that all your configurations are stored correctly and immediately applied to your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added tax to your Wix setup. Remember, reviewing local tax laws regularly is a wise practice as they can change. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to leave any questions or comments you might have. Until next time, happy selling